Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to edit the playlist cover on Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device and make sure that you have a picture ready to be uploaded. Now tap the playlist you want and tap the square image. You can now select the picture for your playlist cover and tap Open. When the picture is uploaded, tap Save. You can also change your playlist cover by tapping on the playlist name. Here, tap the square to choose a photo, or tap the three dots and tap Change Photo. So that's how you edit the playlist cover on Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.